Presenting the Nikon D5600 DSLR camera. It comes with a 24.2 megapixel resolution with DX format CMOS image sensor that gives you high resolution images that are sharp and have rich details. With the ISO 125,600 range, the camera gives you grain-free pictures in a wide range of lighting conditions. It comes with an optical viewfinder and a 3.2-inch LCD monitor that can swivel up to 180 degrees. The LCD monitor comes with an intuitive touch interface for quick and easy image review. With an X-Speed 4 image processing engine, the D5600 takes vibrant photos and videos even in low light conditions. Also, with continuous shooting of 5 frames per second, you can be sure not to miss the perfect moments while shooting rapidly occurring scenes. The 39-point autofocus AF system covers a wide area of the frame to keep track of your subjects with high precision to give you a good shot. The Nikon D5600 camera can record Full HD videos with selectable frame rates that give better precision and higher quality videos. The camera comes with Wi-Fi, NFC, and built-in Bluetooth connectivity. With SnapBridge app, you can access your D5600 images on a compatible smartphone or tablet for posting to your favorite sites or sharing with friends. You can even use the smartphone or tablet to remotely trigger the D5600 to take pictures. Inside the box, you will find the digital camera D5600BK in 18 to 55 VR and 70 to 300 VR kit, DK25 rubber eye cup, body cap, rechargeable lithium-ion battery with terminal cover, AN-DC3 strap, and MH24 battery charger. Apart from this, you will also get a bag and a memory card bundled along with a camera box. This product comes with standard brand warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking, or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and other offers, visit the product detail page.